Okay, so this chapter is going to be super exciting because in this chapter we are going to apply the condition working today or not. So we are going to link this entire lead allocation directly with the attendance of your sales guys. Now if they are not present and if someone else in their team can substitute them or he can attend their leads, then we are going to allocate leads to that guy. So for that purpose we'll just have to clean up this entire data. Let's clean this and let's go and clean this entire data as well. I'm going to show, it's already so much clutter over here. So we are going to generate a new set of data where there can be multiple salespeople engaged on a particular product in a particular region, right? So that will be one. And second, we are going to substitute if someone is present or absent. So let's dive into GPT. Let's figure out some more data. Okay, lead is fine. Let's go for generate. You can skip this part, it's going to take about a minute time to generate everything. So if you are not interested in this GPT prompt, just skip it. Generate data of for the following table structure of sales people master, right? And over here we are going to use this is the table structure what we have right across. Products are over here. We can simply give it all of these products to GPT. Region are north, east, west, south and central. I want at least 3 people in a team which handle each region and product. Okay, that's nice. Rest will take care. If someone is present, absent, that data will or maybe mark at least 1 sales person from each team as working today equal to no. Okay, nice. So create at least 3 sales people in each team which handle. Let's see what GPT does. Okay, it is giving us good amount of data. So we have Alice Johnson, Bob Smith, these people. So butter, and they are into north region. So perfect. GPT is doing great job. And over here, allocate lead count we don't want. Okay, let it be. We'll just skip it. Okay. This time, give this data into a table format. Let's see what happens. So we can straightforward copy and paste this entire data into the Google Sheet, right? So let's copy. Let's try to paste it. Okay. So here you're going to learn a little new thing. So we are going to do a split text to column, and we will do by custom. So we have a pipe over here, pipe symbol, and this entire data is just gone over here. Perfect. What we have to do is it's bad, not okay, not that great. Let it be. We'll just try to perfect. We got this entire data aligned properly. Let's clean up. Let's do a little more cleanup. Perfect. Another one, and I think we are good to go now. So let's format this properly. Once you get the sheet, you will also like it. Otherwise, this kind of formatting, you'll just curse me on this. No problem. Great, we are in good shape for now. That's nice, looks good. Perfect. So applicable product is butter, someone is north, cheese, east, west, south and central. So for example, we have these many different sort of teams created for each of the product for each of the region, right? I think we missed out something is create, or let it be. So in this team, Bob Smith is not available. In this team, Avi is not available. In this team, Henry is not available. You see, I'm just removing all of the lead count. And for now, generate 25 leads data for the following product and region combination right? So over here we have done this, and over here one more time, let's give the lead info as first name, or maybe let's take this entire thing from here itself. Return output in proper JSON. So this is I'm doing to create the entire data. Perfect. It is started and it's giving us data for butter. So GPT got screwed, I think. It is generating so many data for almost same: East cheddar cheese, West yogurt Greek. Okay, I think there is some issue with the prompt. Let's fix it. It is considering it 3 times. We don't want it 3 times to do. Let's give it again. So it generated 5 leads for this combination, because honestly we have only 5 combinations available over here. So it is doing it 5 combination for each of these reasons, right? Once this data is out, we are going to put this data into our JSON structure, JSON file, and let's see what happens. Perfect. The data is out here. Let's put it here. I'll just have to keep the JSON structure clean. Perfect. Again, I'm telling you, you don't have to do any of these things. It will be coming from your respective data source, but for the demonstration purpose, I'm just using it. Now, the main part comes of this entire video is here. So in case if someone is not available, we are going to apply another condition. Is called working today is equal to, or it should be equal to yes only all the time. Now what will happen if we are going to do this? Let's say yes, then you will find there are 2 people in this team who are working today. So it's going to give us 2 names, Alice and Charlie. However, we wanted to allocate this lead to only 1 person, right? So how this will happen? Because we cannot do much on this, right? So we are going to apply 2 more things over here. One is called sorting, ascending or descending. So let's say go for ascending, and the order of the sorting is going to be based on the lead allocated count. So what will happen? It's a number. Let's check it as a number, and maximum allocation out or is 1, for example. Let's do. What this will do is, in case if we are going for butter and north, we are going to get 2 records which are yes, yep, Alice and Charlie. However, whoever has a low number of leads, so for example Alice is at 0 and Charlie is standing at 1, then we are doing a order by the count of leads allocated to them and the ascending. So for example, if I go ahead and check it now, just run this only. Reason I said north and product is I said butter. Let's see who comes in. I'm sure it will give us Alice's name. Perfect. So here we have Alice Johnson. However, if Alice got 2 leads now and Charlie has only 1, then again if we run it with the same value, reason is north and product is butter, I think this time we should get the other person, not Alice. Perfect. So we got Charlie. Why? Because Charlie has a low number of lead count and he will be preferred in the sequence. So it's a simple ascending descending thing, sorting. So we said sort by ascending, order by allocated lead count. So allocated lead count is this column, and this is getting updated when we are allocating lead to each of these guys. Yeah. So let's try this. Let's do it. Okay. One more important thing. We said maximum number of records out is 1. Why 1? Because we just wanted to allocate 1 lead to 1 person, not multiple. If you do not apply this, or if you say 2, 5, then there will be 5 records coming out, and all of those 5 people will get the same lead allocated to them. So let's see. Let's work out again with the data we generated, and it's already parked over here. Now I'll clean it up. I'll go here. This is also cleaned. Perfect. Let's run. Great. So over here you can see the north lead is first allocated to Charlie, second to Alice, Charlie, and they are like keep on getting. So now Alice got 3 leads, Charlie got 2 leads. Now we got on the East cheddar cheese, so we got David Frank, and so on. Now in this case, let's say for example, if I'll say this, yes, they haven't came yet, so I just put in this Henry as yes. Henry should also get the allocation. Now it is yes, he's getting 2, he'll also get 2, I think. Okay, Henry got 2, nice. And for this, let's say I'm saying this also no. Let's see what happens, because it is lower in the sequence, so I can just edit modify things over here. So they both go 2 2, and this will get 3. Now in this case, this person should get all 5 leads because these two are absent on that given day. I'll also make it a little good. Drop down, it's no and it's yes, and that's great. So you can see here the vendor this got all 5 leads, these two are absent on that particular given day, and this is how we have done our conditional allocation where the leads are also allocated based on their attendance status. So I hope you find it super helpful. Now in next lesson we are going to rerun it again with some more data, some more complexities. Thank you very much. Good day. Bye.